here we are in the house, and as you can see, it's very unfinished. Let me walk you through what I did on the first few days. So on day one, we carried all of this flooring in from storage. Each box weighs about 30 pounds, and you can see there's at least 80 boxes there. Whew, that was a chore. On day two, I assembled the ceiling in the ensuite. Now, my plan was to strap it after this. So I kind of built it in a different way than I probably should have, but it is what it is. I'm gonna leave it like that for now. Today, I'm concentrating on building the ceiling in here, which is the powder room, and next to it, which is the closet. That's what I have on my task list today. Oh, and I also have to fix the door lock, which I didn't do right, so I'll get to that later. I'm not gonna show you how-tos just yet. That'll come later. Subscribe, stay tuned. All right, I just finished cutting and assembling my ceiling framing. Unfortunately, my nailer broke, so I have to go and buy a nailer. But you can see that's one, that's two. So now I just have to get my nailer, nail it all together, and then try and find a way to lift it up and, attach it to the ceiling. Whew, a little sweaty. I managed to get my ceiling up. So the way I did it was I created a rail that I could lean it against and then pulled it up and nailed it at the top. So now I have to do that one more time with this guy, and then I'm done. All right, back on site for day 6. Today I'm doing a little more framing in the ensuite. I think I am going to try and reframe the shower niche. I have some cleanup to do so that I get the floors ready. But more importantly, I wanted to show you this is my property. And as you can see, it's very rough and muddy. And I have to walk all around this stuff, and it just kills my ankle. Well, day 6 is a bust. The propane tank that I brought over that is full is not working for some reason. And so I have about a half hour to go on this one. I have about 20 minutes on that one, and then I'm out of heat. I don't even think it's gonna get the space to the right temperature to even work in, but fingers crossed, it'll at least get a little bit warmer and I can install my half wall. I just unpacked my shower base. I'm about to take it out of the package and set it up. First I have to sweep, then I have to figure out if I can do my framing. If the heat doesn't warm up the space, then I'm done. I just unpacked and put down this absolutely gorgeous shower base. And unfortunately, as beautiful as it is, you can see that I completely screwed up the plumbing and now it's not aligned. I have no idea what went wrong, unless this wall wasn't here when I did the measurements and I measured from the outside wall. Oh, I don't know. Now I have to get the plumber back to put it in the right place. Hopefully that's not an issue. I just finished the framing for my shower, ensuite shower wall thing. I'm not going to attach it because the base, still isn't in place. But I did manage to build it and set it up along with an extra lip that is designed to overhang right there, overhang the shower. And I'm doing that because the shower glass needs something to attach to once it reaches the end here. And if the wall is on the outside of the shower base, there's literally nothing that it can attach to. Doing this means I'm going to have a little bit of extra work with the tile. If it doesn't work, I'll tear it down and I'm just going to do the straight shower doors.